Pluto was originally discovered and classified as a planet over 80 years ago in the year 1930. An American astronomer named Clyde Tombaugh discovered Pluto. After that time, Pluto became known as the smallest planet in the solar system, as well as the farthest planet from the Sun. In fact, Pluto is located over 3.6 billion miles away from the Sun. It also takes Pluto 248 years to orbit the Sun once. To put into perspective just how small Pluto is, it is even smaller than Earth's moon. Compared to the other planets in the solar system, Pluto is only a fraction of their size. Pluto was considered a planet for many decades, but it has since lost its status. In fact, Pluto is now what is called a dwarf planet. A dwarf planet is a celestial body that resembles a small planet, but lacks certain aspects of a true planet. In 2005, another American astronomer by the name of Mike Brown thought he had discovered a new planet in the solar system even farther away than Pluto. This new planet was thought perhaps to be the 10th planet of the solar system and was given the name Eris. This possible discovery prompted debate between astronomers, who decided there needed to be specific rules to determine whether a celestial body could be called a planet. The International Astronomical Union decided that in order for an object in space to be considered a planet, the object must meet 3 requirements. In order for an object to be a planet, it must orbit the Sun, it must be large enough that its gravitational force gives it a sphere-like shape, and there must be no other objects in its orbit that are not under its influence. With these rules in place, the newly discovered celestial body called Eris was deemed not a planet. Soon after, astronomers realized that Pluto did not meet these requirements either. Specifically, Pluto does not meet the 3rd criterion. It shares its orbit with many other celestial bodies that it has no influence on because it is so small. Because of these new rules, in 2006, Pluto was downgraded to a dwarf planet and is no longer considered the 9th planet of the solar system. Soon after this decision, NASA launched a mission called New Horizons to Pluto to study its surrounding area and catalog other dwarf planets. Although Pluto is no longer considered a planet, it is still an important aspect of the solar system and will be further studied in the future.